In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a calendar in Excel. Adding a calendar to your spreadsheets is a great way to organize dates, schedule tasks, and improve overall workflow. And thankfully, Excel makes it easy to do once you know the steps. The first thing we need to do is activate the Developer tab. Click the File tab at the top of Excel, then select Options. In the window that appears, click Customize ribbon. On the right side, locate and check the box next to Developer to activate it. Click OK, and you will now see the Developer tab appear among the other tabs on the ribbon. This tab gives you access to extra tools that allow you to enhance your Excel worksheets, including the ability to add a calendar. Once the Developer tab is ready, open it and click on Add-ins. This section allows you to add useful elements to Excel. Since we want a calendar, click on Office Store, then type Calendar in the search field and press Enter. You will see options like the Mini Calendar and Date Picker appear at the top of the results. Click Add, and the calendar will now be available to use in your spreadsheets. After adding it, you can place the calendar anywhere you like. Click and hold on any border of the calendar with the left mouse button, then drag it to your desired location. You can also adjust its size by dragging the little circles that appear at the corners. The calendar settings allow for additional customization, such as showing the week number, changing the calendar system, or adjusting the style and color to match your spreadsheet. To enter specific dates into your data tables using the calendar, simply select the cell where you want the date to appear. For example, if you want the start date for Task 1 in cell C3, click C3, then select the date from the date picker. If Task 1 starts on the 1st of August, simply click that date and it will automatically populate in the cell. You can repeat this process for any other dates you need to add. Finally, if you no longer need the date picker on your sheet, click on any of its borders and press the Delete key to remove it instantly. If you need it back, just go to the Developer tab, click Add-ins, and select the calendar again from the list of previously added add-ins. It will appear right away and be ready to use. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.